Daily dose of internet. Daily dose of internet.
Hey everybody! My sister's pregnant! I'm gonna be dead!
This YouTuber made the most expensive carbonated water ever. He took diamonds and burned them until they created carbon dioxide. He then took that carbon dioxide and created carbonated water.
At over $1,000 for this bottle though, not even counting labor, I still wasn't sure if it was actually worth all the work and money. Tastes, exactly like soda water.
This person ran into the same car twice within a few minutes.
Blah blah blah.
NASA just released video of their rover landing on Mars. This is the first time that video footage has been captured of a spacecraft landing on another planet. Here's a cool visual of how our solar system is traveling through space. The sun is moving and dragging all the planets along with it. If you take a sweet potato and put it in water, it will start to grow. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoy. And this is your daily dose of internet.
What's wrong?
A driver stopped at a stoplight and the entire front bumper fell off the car. The driver then got out of the vehicle and simply taped it back on.
She's gonna put it back on. She's gonna try to put it back on. I told her that tape won't. I know, she got it taped in the middle of traffic. That's what I'm saying. That's what.
A drone pilot captured the incredible beauty of Norway. Many cheetahs in zoos suffer from anxiety, so emotional support dogs are often placed in their cages to help them. This is actual time-lapse video footage of a sunset on Mars. The atmosphere on Mars makes sunsets blue instead of red like on Earth. In case you didn't know, the forests of Madagascar are being destroyed. This is time-lapse footage showing how the forests have disappeared over several decades. A curious Shiba discovered a caterpillar.
are you doing? What are you doing?
That's the end of this video. I just want to quickly say thank you for helping me reach 6 million subscribers. You know, that's an insane amount of people and a goal I never thought would be possible. I love reading your comments and your messages, and your support is definitely appreciated. So thank you, and I'll see you all again in Daily Dose of Internet. This teacher is holding a regular jar filled with water. Because of water surface tension and air pressure, the water does not fall out of the jar when she removes the cover.
In all directions, but pushing upwards to hold the liquid in, right?
Yes.
And if I take this off, what should happen?
Pushing up the water.
Should come out, but
That's not fair.
Witchcraft, what is this?
John, no, Gabby move, Jonathan move.
Yeah, okay.
Move for a second.
He's taking a. That's not okay.
And why is it?
This person created a strawberry that screams whenever you cut into it. This baby elephant was found incredibly weak and unable to stand up. The closest elephant hospital was over 6 hours away, so the baby had to go for a ride in a helicopter. After a few days of care, the elephant is now happy and healthy. These firefighters rescued a baby deer that got stuck in a sewer drain.
Well done, guys.
My dad and I like to feed the squirrels that live by our house. They usually shove their faces up against the glass door until somebody feeds them.
Hi. Come on. Come on. Come on.
About once every 7 years, there's a nature path in Brazil that gets completely submerged underwater from heavy rainfall. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Yeah, we're doing it. I can't. It's like until I move.
This person saw a driver with hay in the back of his truck. He warned the driver that it was dangerous because the exhaust pipe was inside of the hay. The driver ignored his warning and drove away. A few moments later, the entire truck was engulfed in flames, but the driver was able to safely escape. This is an automatic device locksmiths use to crack open a safe. The process can take anywhere from a few minutes to over 15 hours, as you have no idea when the combination will be correct. A professor created a teeter-totter on the border of the United States and Mexico so citizens of both countries could form friendships.
I'm going higher than you guys. You guys can go higher.
This man lost his dog over 3 years ago, but recently got a tip that his dog was spotted on the street. He took a bus over to the last known location and found his dog.
Georgie! Georgie! Shena! Shena, no van a dejar, bicho.
A bus in Russia didn't have a spare wheel available, so instead used a giant log.
Россия. Ожидай, да?
Запах жженого древесины.
Выеб за это.
Конечно, он сейчас в крышку асфальта какой-нибудь ебанет.
Так, нахуй, подожди, блядь, а то мы сейчас с этими съемками, блядь.
A bird was stuck inside a house when a dog grabbed it and put it outside.
Take it outside.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again.